Skele, angibai skele, uza ngobukele, skele, skele, uza ngobukele, angibai skele, skele.
Sanibonani bafethu, and this is your boy Ukatlego Ntariana Mula, aka Mr. Soweto Kamfele Motseba, aka Mr. Cool himself. Welcome to Ikasil Vukile bafethu. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave your comment down below. Uthi Soweto Siketo bafethu. Currently we are at the most famous place in Soweto, at food bar, where you get proper food, not just amakota bafethu. Inyama ikhona, good order ikhona. People like me, you'll find them chilling, and more people. So make sure you pull up a food bar. Nyabona kune G20 bafethu. Make sure you put us on the map at G20. Abantu bama tourist beze bazo enjoy nathi life food bar. Rather than that, ngiphethe inja ye game. Yabona, if you were born on the 90s, yabo, you are the 90s baby. You understand the gem early. You understand who gave the name Questa, who wrote the Kokele Babo. Then you'll understand who I'm talking about. I'm out here talking about the most anticipated and the most hard-working artist of all time, who is underrated, plus a presenter. Hey, Chido Monate. Yeah, I must give you flowers. You deserve it. Yeah, you deserve your flowers. So, thank you for coming to the show.
Thank you for inviting me, my dog. Thank you.
I had to.
Actually, this is the first interview shoot. And after the mail, was the other show. When was that one? Where's the beef? After was the beef? I haven't done interviews since then.
Ever since then? Yeah.
Ever since.
You kept
this
quiet.
Is the first interview.
That you gave, yeah, that
first ever.
Okay. Let me address this to the people. The people who are watching now, currently. Now you need to understand the game. I am giving you game now. Lomuntu lo who was the deepest side of the industry. He went to USA. He was presented Gem Early. Imagine uhlangane namatista engakanani. And imagine wazi kangakanani game.
Imagine uyenza
manganani.
Your favorite writer is Ghostwriter. My God.
So now it's time for you to listen and understand my contract and understand ezinye izinto abangantsheli zona. We are not here to criticize, you are here to build. So Tido Monati.
Yeah.
Let's start it from the top.
Bottom now, yeah.
Let's start from top.
Yeah.
Before Tido.
God's will, Tato Yamudimu. That's my name. Tato Yamudimu.
So let's talk about Tato. Tato, who was a youngin, high scaler, low scaler, which is primary. Tato from Ikaslake.
Don't I Ikaslamle?
Yeah,
it's like
so
up the road.
A bar.
Aye, Minangzale le par, we are there at the Blue Clinic.
I was a little bit clinic.
Deep Blue Clinic in Jai.
Marum Talaga is a little bit clinic.
Yeah, the Blue Clinic tell corner. Don't tell me, Yatala. And we are parang. Kaslam lady. Yeah, when I put him cook, we no cook.
When him Zomban.
Mandela and Tana, I want to sit to care. I could prefer to give an actually with that place that we can't see. We no cook one rep. We eat a woman repack pair. Yeah.
So Kukwaka boy like KFC call.
Go right, they couldn't, guys.
Should no go boy.
Fun. Takes me back.
So tell me
Mandela Village.
Sure. So tell me about the Tato. From do you have both parents? Or could some two, or you could some second parents, or Fundegupi? How was life at school? Like, tell us about the Tato before we jump to Tido Monati.
I'll tell the boy, as I tell you, I grew up here. My dad's still here. Yeah, my mom's. I grew up with both parents in Ghana. I got a brother, Tabang, Ghana. This week, but my voice back now, shaping up. Some more parents. Yeah, so man, I'm done. And in Kelese, you can't ever pay primary.
Yeah,
you know, so you ever pay the funds there. Kelese, the mighty barn in Tona.
There's a mighty barn.
6,
yeah.
Yeah, I'm sure I'm I slew Kelese Elders. Yeah, Saint Elders.
Oh, Saint Elders.
Saint.
Yeah, Saint Elders.
Yeah, good available. I'm going to take on. Shall me treat there, 2000 back then. Ngidala
umdala wena idlozi.
ngidlala blind. Yeah, so ayintana wawufuna ngikhulume ngami mina ngincane ngikhuluma ngami.
Because we wanna know what made the craft.
You know what? The craft was made by hip hop.
Hip hop how? You
Vivid umrapper wokuqala la eDK. I was the first Vivid rapper wokuqala la kulikasi imimo. The first rapper. Yeah, like us. Living me my man. Yeah, but hey, my man. Okutwa back in this story. I wanna crisscross my puma. Jump, crisscross make it up. Those boys are zahlanyisa I went ngahlanya ngafuna vele ukuthi ngiyasifuna lezi isitwali lezi lentwana zangishaya. So fortunate enough mina I had international family. So kuna lezi ama-cousins wami wangithumela music from the States back in the days.
Yeah.
So we used to get tapes ntwana ama-Pro Righteous Pictures, underground rap, le rap le bangayazi. Yeah, bo Math, yo Wu-Tang, yangithola. So I used to listen to that. Ngisase primary. So that's the thing was the music. As a singer, music, and then so refer into you learn like dictionary, what does this word mean? In track, yeah, and hip hop. That's when I actually said, in track as let me influence others. Tim Chalezinya, you recruit a rappers.
Yeah, sure. Bruno Major.
Why are you Bruno? Undoda.
Oh, Undoda. Oh, yeah.
The icon that.
Yeah. Yeah.
They are matrets.
Yeah, but
we picture Mukula Nisos. It's okay, like a good one rap.
I'm boss.
We are open up. He's always in my man. Coming up recruited. All the way you funa na banya bomb rap. Bisava message was be a rapping team. There's rapping team.
Nah.
Mara, one rapper one. Rapping team. Yeah, I changed. I have a Lee Club.
I know the Lee Club.
Yeah, Lee Club. It was same thing, same venue. Yeah, Kesrim, Nabo plays, Bionic, you know. Ready D. Was it? Nabo Dallas Lewis Dana.
Yeah.
I'm a wicked selfie. Namashana Lawak Dana.
Sharp.
Bana. We are fair. Nalio rap there. Fucking way back, but I am. Anyway. Just so.
No, so when I threw a chain, you started with the rap before you became a presenter.
Yeah. No. I presented first.
Oh, you became.
But I was a rapper first. Yeah, I was a rapper first.
So you were album rapper on my cypher.
Yeah, hardcore
and studio work. Also.
That was my stage. Yeah.
So tell us about that era, the best battle you took. Bonobane. You
know who my best bet was? Nah?
Yeah.
Umlindom, my brother's soul rest in peace. Pro Kid.
You used to call head no Pro Kid.
Never lost the battle. If there's a rapper who's taking me out, they can come out and say. So I've never lost the battle. Yeah, we battle.
So you never lost the battle. So
he
lost the
battle. We used to be Asylum Tribe.
Yeah.
Back then, Asylum Tribe niggas. So it was fire when we go Asylum. So within Asylum, we got my click. So Ulinda Pro was in a group called Pretty Ugly.
Pretty Ugly.
Yeah, it was him and Pretty Ugly. He probably got that name there.
Pretty
Ugly was Pro and .com. Those were the dopest rappers at the time.
Yeah.
.com. She's a land. Yeah, he go boom rapper with parents. But other than that, dog.
But I'm a better man. So
always.
You never lost a battle.
Never lost.
But he had a battle with Pro.
I'm fine.
So that means
I always took cats out, man.
You also
that it was that coin. Yeah. You see that greenhouse at the corner was like he said.
Yeah.
You got his house.
Yeah.
And visit my cousin. So we still there. Calling music, so you wouldn't. I was a grabber. So must fun grabber was chief that say that where the mic used to be. The stage just says
yeah.
Splomeda. Shy Cypher about you in your skills about Google. Betty letter. He used to take niggas out right there. So we take each other out. Mara as Erken's a woman, I go from Mutantan and Shahid.
Yeah.
But I know no one's taking me out because big thing on me. You know, times big thing on me.
Madam Nanga check her out.
Ah, yes, in.
Let's tell her no one month.
I need to ask because you want to get the radar. I'm ready already, dog.
Yeah,
Ready already.
Help me with the young 16.
Ah, man, wow, for 16.
I'm going to finish what to be like 16.
Tina Butak Slangan is summer party more like ANC, alcohol, no dancing. Oh, these only drunk guys. Just imagine what an overdose is for Udaki.
Hey.
People against condomizing themselves, they should be PAC cause they pack a party. Actually, ping sugar, Miss Samagazi, call me IFP in the physics party. A DP means donate to poverty, to Tagonja, to Shaggy Party, go to Salala Party. Haguna Tiniso Bavana Magasi cause the TRC means to rob the country. Amapuraya Zenzela Makasi NNP means New Nigerian Plus. It's like Ampolo Tigila Maraziata.
Yo. Yeah, right. So I'm hyped up now. Put me in those eras. That time you were rapping and doing all those things. Then were you still a presenter?
When I was rapping?
Yeah.
Yeah. I was a presenter.
So you were known already.
Yeah. You go what? From Take 5, then what? What is this? Gabriel. Yeah, I was doing Gabriel at the time. Yeah. By the time we flew out to Emily, we see it was like my third presenting gig.
Yeah.
Yeah. Doing it back.
So, which was your first presenting gig, and how did you manage to maneuver within presenting? What does it? How things are being to be presented? Maybe I'm a fan.
I went out Take 5, no? I was a presenter young apart. I was about to present a distracted.
Oh, baby, you born a gang before.
It was a job because it was being spun out like Tekashtan was a show, Take 5, on SBC One.
Yeah, I understand, but my question is like, who influenced you and
to be present?
Yeah, ukuthi ungayenza lento.
I'm like, I'm trying to I'm YouTube, I'm Lemo. You're back. That was my boy from Wayza. We go way back. So Tubes he was presenting way back, KTV, I'm told. And he's the one because I'm presenting. And I was like, it's not my thing. I wasn't really about things are weird that I push out.
Yeah.
So
So again.
Yeah, then from Take 5, that's when I started doing, and then I felt it, I move on. So I started to get real. In Get Real, that's when I was like, okay, now I'm taking it serious. So when I went to Germany, that was after I had already now I had an album. Yeah.
When you went to so
I be saying resign with me. Yeah, I be saying
resign
from the good rap.
Oh, good rap. So it Take 5 finally and like they were paying or volunteer.
I paying dog. Valen who? Valen where?
They were patela money in the time.
I went off on my press.
No, I just angifuna ukwazi sibona
ukuthi abantu Ntwana I was a seller bengihola ukudlula bengisasiscale mara bengihola ukudlula some of the parents yabo.
You.
Yeah, I plan mara ve.
Begival.
Yeah, it was
So you used to get that money with a scale.
Sescale.
So we impilo njani scale like intwana encane.
Ordinary normal ukuthi nje you got to be the 8 kid nyana ihlubona na but yeah, standard, you know. So all is been
bongaphuzisa abantwana nezinto ezirong. A young with money, it's something else.
Well, it's been a smart cat. That is why I managed to get in push up for the crib. Moving to Orlando East. Among London, Mangish London, I went to a town with Orlando. I was close to save some cash to go live that side and I told her, yeah, so I've always been a money savvy cat.
Yeah.
That's why no man cool up upon my Timberland, this international chaos, but we told up, man, being inspired because of that money that I had.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we was precious in Ukraine. And again, Tina, we not excited idea. Mandela Village. I come to Mandela Village.
Yeah, Mandela Village.
Mandela Village, be say I'm a choker. Gahle landa akusi Mandela Village. Maybe biza. Maybe tikuga Shabala mshe. Maybe mshengovi.
Oh, mshengovi.
Mshengovi.
And then the mshengovi vele.
So lapha mshengo Tina when this travel and tourism thing came to my airport. Hey, kona tourists who wanna come and know about Mandela. About there's different types of tourists. About adventure tourists, so these political ones who wanted to know about Mandela. That's when we had that thing. Hey, Mandela Village. Bring those people back here, Mandela Village. But born at the people that support Mandela, how they live.
Yeah.
So mina no mini pincha muchisi, manik. Besi ya matok guys. The pas mawafili. Besbatata spafage around spabonis. This is how we live. Bangene phakathi kwemikhukhu. Around these zones bayisepareni bayophuza imbamba le phezulu.
Yo.
Then abasikhafa ngamadola namapound nama-euro. It's really cool. That's why lela khunhle besihlala ziwa.
Yeah.
Sihlala ziwa. I'm told.
Yeah.
Because we spana.
Yeah.
So working has been something we've been doing ways of.
Ever since, ne?
Yeah.
So tell us the life here, HMA, or you audition.
Yeah.
Did you audition or back phone?
Did audition.
You did not audition.
I auditioned.
You audition.
Yeah.
Oba nokuchila kama audition.
Bengispana nezinja zami. Paraping Entertainment. Which was Paraping, yeah. Yeah, those my PA fam. You Slikado. Number one, Shangan Sligado. No level, smacks.
Yeah.
It was Paraping and ventilation, but shy management.
Yeah.
About my Paraping was managing. People hear me nobody. You were the two. It was me and Bali. Who's this chick? Yeah. First guy I play cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, they managed us in terms of MC gigs and whatnot.
Yeah.
So I'm a presenter on the TV side of things.
Yeah, there is a guy right yeah, because when I'm available, when I was ne. Oh,
no?
Yeah. Since I'm Buzela. Yeah.
From Paraping, they had to connect. No, Peter Lynch. Because we were managed to in the squad at
the squad camp.
Yeah, it was Zulmop and Squad Camp on the music side of things.
Yeah.
And then Paraping Ventilation, which was Slick and Smacks, they were managing me nobody on that TV front house side of things. So who's any again it was all the links like I Slick out on the Smacks.
Yeah.
Yeah, we took the auditions up in this. And at the time, Proverb, my nigga, was there.
On the auditions?
I got suspended Red Pep.
Oh, Red Pep.
It was still at Red Pep. But you know, Pro, nigga, Verb is always behind the scenes. Niggas don't know that.
Yeah.
But he was a nice influence. Because he was the one pushing, hey man, we must get Tito to come audition on this thing. And then we still got over. Like, there's this audition that you gotta go check out. Like, no problem. Let me go there. Just buy it, you know?
Yeah.
And then when I put it in the we say Islantanya, we say China. So they wanted to pick it up. So the contract we say, now among figure and down, should change.
She changed how?
Yeah, they were like, boom, hey, shit, this is exactly what we want. So they increased the contract. Actually, after the show was, they say it paid. Like actually, you know, it was a special. But when an artist is a presenter, so artist my presenter. But so fuck my artist up. It's like it was I understand the intention, but when I'm an artist just to make something strong because we want to show say a key that type thing.
Yeah.
Then found out okay, even the channel likes the nigga. So SABC decided, no, let's give you another contract and let's take this nigga to actually take it.
Yeah.
Then I got the gig like that.
Yeah. Before we jump to the Gem Ellie life, because now you becoming a brand, a superstar whereby abantu look up to abantu basekhaya, you know. That's when
I've heard Gem Ellie figure saying we are in New York, Baba. This is we go shy Zuluminati.
Zuluminati.
Yeah.
Okay.
2006.
Let's wait, Gem Ellie. Let's go back. We're skipping.
Yeah.
Let's talk about your Zuluminati.
Yeah.
Sorry viewers for skipping the question.
Zuluminati.
That one was the important one. Zuluminati. How did Zuluminati came about, ne? And why did you decide to name it Zuluminati?
Alright, Zuluminati. Kona Polo the Night was the first album. Ne? Yeah, but Jesus, believe my stress. Then that track, push because we were signing the Sony, you know, put it out and then told them a call from Hot 97 about hey, this was your track is playing in Hot 97, gotta, you know that. Then the next thing was Sony. There's this dope ass producer you have, but you Richie Lou.
Yeah, Richie Lou.
Those house
Yeah.
checks. Yeah, that nigga. That's the one who was like, damn, that's Funalese Naganjan.
Yeah.
That worked with these boys. So they reached out, but definitely made us spin originally. So that was the link. And the following year, must spin on the album. So I stayed, yes, to spin on Richie. We recorded like half the album. It's a couple of, how many tracks that I did? You look it up, I'm going to beg how many tracks we did.
Yeah.
Licensed, But we worked. See, if it was Kanyana, I would share half of the album. But we came maybe with 6 tracks back. Then the others also spun on one band. But coming to the part there, the name Illuminati. Can abantu bazi Illuminati right now, ne? The Illumination.
Yeah.
The secret society, right?
Yeah.
The Freemasons. And all.
Yeah.
Well, Zuluminati. From coming back from New York, there were some things that we witnessed that I can't go into major detail about the secret society and who's behind what, where, with how everything runs. In a way that it was a matter of I was enlightened about the Illuminati. I was illuminated about the Illuminati. They exist and knowing what they do as a movement, the Brotherhood. And I can say that was my exit. When I came back and I said, Illuminati. It was more a choice of like, it's stating which, are you godly or ungodly or whatever. So I choose to say, that's how I made my exit. After what I saw, the Big Apple, to now, I decided I'm quitting music because I'm not going to sell my soul.
So what did you see? What was happening?
I can't go into
there?
that.
No, even if you can.
But I was confronted.
Oh, so they confront you.
Yeah.
Like
they
physical.
identify. No, they identify you.
Okay.
They
so mean they identify the
I would
aura.
Zulu Mob was identified.
Oh, so they wanted to use Zulu Mob.
For you if you want the money, the fame, they can give you everything you want.
Yeah, so how do they come to you? They come to you physical or spiritual?
Man, there's people. There's masters. There's master masons. There's Freemasons who are. There's grand heads. There's levels.
So
from the chambers, then there's the highest chamber.
What's for someone who's watching? What's a Freemason?
It's the Freemasons, the Western Americans who believe, not even Americans, the Westerns, the French. In fact, those are the majors, secret societies who have a brotherhood. It's cult-like, but like nothing bad. It's just that the choices you gotta do behind that. So if you're a Christian, maybe you go violent, but then if you want the money, the fame, they've got the power. That's what the Freemasons are.
Okay, so they come to you and say, we are here to give you this if you give us this.
All they want is your brotherhood. In return, you must follow instruction. It's just that, man, it's not for me.
Nah. So the instructions, are they brutal or are just light instructions?
They just, hey man, you want, you get what you want.
Like, you're not being clear with me. Like
why do you want clarity? Because clarity will get you with danger.
We like danger.
Alright.
Because I'm danger. That's why I'm wearing this.
Away.
Yeah, so tell me, what was the clause that made you not to join?
I will not sell my soul. I will not sacrifice. I'm a true Christian. That is why I would take it. Jesus, believe my strength.
Yeah.
I came up with gospel rap.
Yeah.
Remember that?
Yeah, I remember that.
Every gospel track that you know of, gospel rap track you know of, I have so much influence in it, though.
Yeah.
I'm cool with that spiritual core. Well, I'm a Christian straight up.
Yeah.
So I mean, I'm lazy, isn't?
Isn't it?
Well, there's no contract that I actually read. There's no contract that I'm talking about. I'm just saying, me, not personally. My faith does not allow me to sell my soul just for the fame. That is why I chose to leave everything at the peak. I don't think I've never met anyone who's done what I did, actually.
Yeah.
Because people wonder, hey, when everything was bombing,
You were up there.
I was endorsed by Nike at the time,
You were endorsed-
Nike, yeah.
Bopatola Nike. Nike.
A concept store. Bengagqokile Nike leyo uzoyithola. Literally we seen a concept store. They have expanded. Abo Ricky the Boys and Bucks.
Yeah.
Ricky Boys and Bucks. Those were my stylists at the time, but under in management, Gamo.
Okay, sharp.
Mega taller small.
Sharp.
Yeah, with the hair. Yes, they want to start. So my one I which email them pass this talking it up. About Ricky, they used to come. Yo, Tino, these are the dopest stickers you need to push. You know, movement. This is dopest cap. Used to dress me up. Nike used to pay me for that. Jimmy used to pay me for that. Even I had nice payments and endorsements and everything, but I chose to leave all of that when I came back from New York after Zuluminati.
Okay, before I wanted to go back to New York. How much were you making a month?
Quite a lot because I was living in Morningside, in California.
What else in it?
Right.
How much was your rent?
Man, you're still talking 18,000.
18,000. What were you driving?
In Morningside Village Estate.
What driver?
S3.
S3. And
I had a couple of rides as well. It was not just the S3. In the Golf 5, she's a corner of hell. Being on me, driving some shit.
Yeah.
No.
So how do umuntu othatha Illuminati ubonakala kanjani?
Prepared. He's quality. But he's unhappy, I can tell. But I don't know. Because for you to know, you have to take it. You gotta be in it to be getting it. I mean, I don't know.
So when you say no to it, what happens to you?
Nothing happens. What can happen to you?
Well, they
You
move
need
on.
to take it, like you need to be part of this thing. Final, you're oriented. Bakhona abantu abathwele. Baya lapho. Umuntu akhona ubona ugqoke ama overall kuphela akagezi lo muntu lona. Mara makafika endaweni siyawa uthengela everybody utshwala. Imali izani ngokuhlanya but like damn. Akekho happy. So it's like what's your favorite? When will you sell yourself just go for the money? When you enjoy. Khona abantu abangalali gawu. They don't sleep, these niggas. They know themselves when we ask. Bakhona futhi bayazi mina ngiyabazi. They know. Banemali bana yonke into pla yami. They get into the crib, it's cool. They're not happy. It's the core, the soul, my son. It's what they want. You know now, Mpana, we're living in advanced times. Khona abantu who are old souls. You see, man of the world rulers. Those people like immortality. And they are able now to take your soul and move it from your body and bite Kenya go pour in someone else. You know that?
No.
Yeah. Look it up. Inventorial precisions are happening, dog. So abantu with money and power are able to do that.
So when you sell your soul, what do they really do or you don't know?
Well, what's gonna happen to your soul?
Like, do you die and wake up?
When you sleep, every time what happens? No lana.
You shut down.
But you dream, right?
Yeah.
Yes. What happened? One of that dream. That's your soul. Mind, body, and soul. You're not just a flesh. You're a living spirit.
Yeah.
So it's a reminder. Sleep is the cousin of death, reminding you that when the meat inherits the earth, you are still going to carry on living, carrying that soul. So your spirit can be done by not like as soul no, the person is not dead. Yeah, the soul is just in limbo by
So because disclaimer on this one is on the net. Jima Chekho, there was something that's trending where he went to Nigeria and he spoke about like abompora na bukila ka
bayapela. But basically yeah, it does. It's very, 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 very real. Now I'm not saying it kabao. I'm saying it about of others. I know of others. Mina kona lezing zazio ezinye that has nothing to do with Theo. But yeah, man, sacrificial. I didn't aim, but people do things for money, Jaya.
Yeah.
And ungathaza wena uthanda imali. Uthandele imali, the love of money. That's the
root of
the
evil.
Root to evil. The evil thing is the love of money. Money, nothing wrong with money, but loving money. So people love money so much that they even sell their souls. Some took their kids, some sacrificed with their young children. Yeah, but that's what comes with the burden that comes with the brotherhood is the sacrifice you're gonna have to take. You won't see it now, but then along the lane bazabe bathi ntwana kuzomele manje sithathe imali yakho or sithathe inxusa yakho because you gotta make a sacrifice. It's in the Bible, right? Yeah. The first sacrifices that were made were Abraham, sacrificed his son, you know? You gotta your favorite.
You
Bafuna your seed, the one you love the most.
shit. You just hit me on the spot.
So what's the love for money for?
So someone came approached me with a record label deal, but lo muntu loyo athi okay shop ngathi mina sign email yami athi okay ngizosign email yakho, but email yakho kumele ihlale uyi-1 nawe kumele uhlale uyi-1.
Yeah.
Ngaba sabatshela ukuthi phela thina sidobolile ayiyenze lento leyo.
Ufuna ukuthini?
Ufuna ukwenzani?
Ufuna ukushaya ngama-indecent proposal. Let me eat your wife. Asibasazi. Bheka laba abanjalo ke mina ngibalanda head on.
And asincengana.
Futhi lezi zidivias zingazi kahle. Dealt with a lot of them pinta mina ngikubekele. Ngikutshele boy. Don't be faced. Looks at deceiving. Iziyo yekhulumayo. People out there and what they do for the money, it's got nothing to do with what life is about. What life is about is the greater purpose.
Yeah.
So being materialistic can only lead you to shit like that. Because abanye bayenza desperation. It's like umuntu signing contract, record label contract. You didn't read the fine print, but it basically said it's a 360 deal. I own everything that you do within this cause. Because you want to be rich and famous, you're sign. Guess what happens in Panama? Usain Jenny in the dog. Because the contract and fine print states that we own everything. So Senji, so mele ube if you touch a little contract, we say to professional lawyer, and then I call it not just any attorney, but commercial law attorney. Who understands the jargon? How about it? Status quo? What does the word status quo mean? It means situation. Status quo. When I want to no, it means situation. So each jargon in Donna that now we found out when I saw you need to refer to law books. One understand that. Then he can tell you, no, change this clause, change that clause, change. So that was the movement that we were pushing. That birthed your stars of the day, like what cares but now that they're independent, what question now? It's what we actually instilled in cats with not being signed. That's why record labels are yeah, it's like that. It's like single-handed somehow keep taking it from the major saying it's our craft, so we must take ownership of our music.
Yeah.
So that was what we were educating the youngins following with in Dwana. You need to be a business. You see, Questa is a perfect right here example. But by the time he left Parapenium Ventilation, he went to take a stand as the Sega fully fit, and now as you can see, he's a mobile business, and that's what we was all about. The legacy was about pushing that.
Yeah.
We used to be on that time like fuck record labels, man. We gotta go independent. You remember that era?
Yeah.
So Tinas get it deep into it. Yeah. Then we resigned because the job was done with the Ababa. Let the youngins take the shine.
Yeah.
It was never about the money.
Yeah.
Never about the money.
Yeah.
I choose life over man.
Yeah.
That's why I left man. I don't know anyone who's left man. Tell me about who left man.
I don't know. You can live.
You must check my last episode. I'm saying goodbye, bye. Yeah, I was me saying goodbye to their money, not to the industry. Because I'm still in the industry.
Yeah.
But behind the scenes, because I do work a lot behind the scenes.
Why were you saying goodbye?
Because I was going, it was selling my soul to Jah. You know? Yeah, I just decided, no, you know what, let me go do gospel.
So that's when you came with the song Ndiko Kelebao.
Ndiko Kelebao. I wrote that, let's say Jub's first album. What is this? Rap Breed. First rap album actually. It was his second. Because there was the first white one. So she's only yeah. But must tune out the first album got Jubs. Good time when we work on that album. Yeah, it was that album. Ndiko Kelebao was the last track. Look, take look paid. Last. With okay. Donna. I mean, at the time, which was just, we were very close. It was a best friend type thing at the time.
Yeah.
And imagine, knowing him, it was something that I was feeling. Like, I really was feeling like, okay, this thing needs to be put out there, you know?
Yeah.
As you can tell, I'm check now. The verses. Oh, Heavenly Father, forgive me for my sins, all of the wrongs, the evil little things, pain, of course, to every living being. Everything that I wrote there.
Even that rhyming you
Give me
were
the
doing.
knowledge so I can really
Yeah.
grow. Give me the knowledge so I can really grow. God, me the positivity. Help me live a legacy. Bophelo bo matla morena ka kopa thuso le matla Ramasedihle. Verse 2. G-O-D, God and everybody to the left. That's me, boy. What of that's me, dog. Yeah, but I wrote him so well. That's like I'm your favorite artist, ghostwriter. Mang parallel artist, parallel wena, intake ihlala wena. So I need to sit with you. No, you go to this is the situation you're in. So by the time I get in studio, okay, Donna, this is what you need to say, and this is how you must say it.
Yeah.
And by the time you say it, it's your words. Because even like when I was at a check, like Mang Tembi said, there's a check that I did. You must check it out, just like Tembi.
Just like Tim.
Yeah, no,
Check it out. Yeah.
It's me, DJ Cleo, no Timby that we're rapper, yeah. Oh, the way she sings is on the other album. No, on the album there's a track that I've been wrote to that. You know, I wanna lose my... That is, you won't tell Uchi Palo or someone else. Though. I write like that. Mang Palala. It's Palala, it's Palala,
Abubana bapalele maybe songs.
Papa, I'm fit.
To give you your flowers while you are alive.
Isn't it pops, or la pops? Man, I'm an artist. Man, I work with a lot of people. I'm an A&R director.
Yeah.
So I get booked into studio, just wait forever and figure out when you hire my services with you. Oh, I've got this artist in Tembi. I'm sending go myself. Then we give the art direction to the tech with okay, image how it's gonna go, your tone, your sound, so that was my passion.
Oh, A&R.
Yeah, that's called A&R directors, artist and repertoire.
Oh.
Yeah. Spansaco, you give an artist direction, feel.
Yeah. So what was happening in your moment that time you wrote in the Kokele because
Being feel that something's coming, dog. For my boy, pain, of course, to everything. Like the things that are there. Like, being born with Isan, as a artist, superstar. In another friends who caught about sometimes hurt people and not give a fuck. So I was feeling like something's coming my boy's way, and I don't like what's coming. And so when I wrote that, it was more in prayer. It was a prayer. You written down, I'm shielded before. Like, I choose God, because I had to introduce this Christianity and that with other Christian.
Yeah.
I mean, in Christ. So whatever happens, he's like,
yeah.
So that was the intention. But yeah, man.
So after writing well, the song blew.
Yeah, man.
It
blew up like
when you expected which is about.
Yeah, man. Gospel rap is the future.
But I think you were not expecting it because you made it the last track.
By the time Zulma was big then, and the Kokele be sing Binyas Gucci. That's the one because Binyas are good. Okay, about good time you like. The album was nice. About besides good, but what I hit. I'm like, I've made better hits than this. Man, this gets per one about Makesh. They send them a hit up it. Good times. It's a small hit. We need a bigger hit. We need a bigger hit. Give it time.
Kabza.
How many Kabza? You say bigger spanner is share. Share some. When I kulma Kabza lo, earlier been kulma spanner no Makesh. Good.
Yeah.
Mazuntloko.
Yeah, manzi ngiphethe Makesh.
Orla Makesh.
Yeah, ngiphethe Makesh.
Yeah, ngikhuluma ngenja yami.
Yeah,
le nja yami. Easily as what? Here we go. Gotta go now the show. Now you know we gotta make dough, but the world just seems to be too hot to. Easy flow le. Yes, now we has good time, pana. Yeah, Antoine, among his being guys some other vibe with me. Antoine,
Like,
I'm that nigga who gives you the swag. Whoa, no Picard of tell me that. What did I do? Whoa, give you swag. No, Picard. Oh, Picard, I enjoy him there. And I enjoy him. Cool. Picard, he's more like me. When I nice fan. With the same artist. Picard, but I lay out best play magabusi. More Pumagabusi calling out. Ishai got to the leper. Obrigado. Yeah. Le pari le ya ngada ai maputu shaika thulo la kaskazi ile ubricks uthanda ublomana shitale intsango ya dayo ublomana ubigala uzola mfana masibhemna la hawo yo one way manje le yabona mfana ma underpin wena ayi wena mfana awuchange bathe amantombazana ayihlale kufika wena wabona le ma change underpin ma underpin yabona ukhuluma ngale yondaba yabona wena mfana ngiyakutshela wena mabuyeke yabari uzolaha blind so bricks mfana obrigado then took obrigado wathathi obrigado's feelings like and then he was stubborn and then obrigado was born then Ubricks was born
yes
the dog the dopest of the dopest Africano, man. Fix my layout. Layout to be therapeutic, guys. For my nigga. Come back home, son.
Yeah. One love.
Manage.
We are here waiting for you. So when you see the Enas Rama piano in the couple, do you see like Freemasons are still involved? The internationalists.
But they forever. They rule the game. Atlas. Mabona is signing Atlas. He's seeing a man holding the world in the head. Open a movie for Atlas. Yeah, one man. That's what the new world order. Let me tell you. One man ruling the whole world. Westernization. It's here. We're living in Western society. We were Western. We westernized. But compared to Iran, so trust me, boy. They involved so much Iran, more than you think.
So what's the future?
Involved.
What's the future for them? Do you see like a proper future, or you see like this is gonna be a fucked up bad future?
A future for what? For the music or for the people?
For the people within the music.
How can you not be fucked when your soul is now staked up to the devil's earth?
Yeah.
You belong to someone. Your soul belongs to somebody. Somebody, dog. And forever is a very long time. You know what I'm saying? It feels like, it's for now, but trust me, there's forever. And forever, you're going to have to deal with it. So those boys, they did it not knowing, but I was in jail. One thing I can tell you is they're not going to be physically in the dog, but they're going to be spiritually in the dog. They fucked. And they're not even happy with this money. But spend time with them, be with them. And are they alive? Are they live? Are they living? Isn't their conscience fucking with them? Are they realistic? Are they people you want to spend your whole time around? Is there something else that you feel shit, this is the life? Nah, man, it's a facade. Material. Happiness, you can't find it from no material. Mele wena ntwana ube content with you before ungafuna ukuthi a substance or an object guide a fulfillment. So they want that thing from tangibilities. That's why now the tangibles has tangled them. Caught up in a tangle. Well, manje now their souls are tapped.
Yes.
Isn't that nigga Big Zulu complaining about not being able to sleep? Isn't it so, B?
Yeah, so it was.
So they putting it out there. They even crying out. So my girl Leanne,
Sharp.
Yeah, she explains those things, how they happen. So if you want information, but they'll put it down to you. It's okay if you want things like this. This is how it's done. So at the end of the day, it's your soul that is going to be entangled. Your soul is inside. The meat is going to be playing with this material that you are actually feeling for. Yeah, the meat will enjoy the material, but you are not enjoying it. Do you see happiness in any of them?
Nah, even when I read their statuses, they are dark.
They're dark. They do. Come Nandi. You need sorrowful space and abeko grand. You need Jesus, you need God. You need to be content. I'm like a baby. I'm at ease. No man up order me at any time. I wouldn't young bother with this thing. Yo shit. Nah, that's why I chose to say goodbye to the money. Goodbye to the love of money. Now I've got more knowledge. Well, saying I respect money, we are a usage of it, but it's not important.
No.
No.
So tell me this now. You had the pig. We had the Illuminati thing. We had the Zulu mob thing.
Yes, sir.
Now we're jumping back to Jemeli. Where I want to understand this. How was life at Jemeli? Because behind the
superstar
scene,
life.
it's all love. What was happening backstage? Because I know the real stories backstage.
Which ones?
Backstage, like behind the, in front of the camera, you must put a smile.
Yeah.
What was happening in Jemeli backstage?
Jamili was swell, dog. Jamili was this kid, but it was too nice, dog.
Miss
I was them. Another time, I was them Nkosi, but Cecil Berry, the bosses. I was actually even hitting my own content. I mean, I've been up the script. I'm probably the only presenter you know of that was on SABC, but because the script, sir. I was doing content production. Jamili was too nice, man. That was Sekaya, that boy. It go even met. With this, I'm still in love with quite a TV show that we're working on. When Kawang with very very Red Pepper, she keeping up, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's home, man. So,
Yeah, it was nice.
Yeah.
So tell us the claim again. The claim life of HMA. So you are known now, West States. You're living there. You got the moolah. You got the cars. The women want you. What was happening? And how come Uzuka?
That's when you see the devil is alive and everything is devious.
Put out in this moment and you still know to request the legama quest or mupaganjan.
Oh, K1. Everyone was sweet. Don't have Bessenza. Questa. I used to don't have any Tonam. Ben Sassal Omonde there. Go into year Omonde, a blue cam lane. See a 2-bedroom set. So, Questa Salicatli home. Travel. When I'm minister, some land and other sleepless next. Got home to travel. So, basically, we were living in the same ones. The other room was this room.
Okay.
Yeah, and don't have a tender tender stone.
Oh.
Tender push the stone. And the stone gonna have his balloon the quit. Because because ikamalaki bega quest. Because biza quest. It's bega team. Something quest. It's a kumbul biscuit. You want a sense of biscuit. You want what quest? The Kamalan Kenya, it's a guy camera. Die, right? The camera die.
The Western voice there.
So, Yale Conilanga and Calvity, see Shy Cho, Sprite Hip Hop Tour, and I was the car, the basketball. When you landed, call at him 18 and Calvary, he stoned down. Ish, when Mr. Pete quit. Ish, quit. Yeah, man, then when you landed, letting a boyang at a wait, where I beat the question. Young man, when I look at my quest, I got spun with the quest once. It was like, sure. I got excited. Yeah, fuck, sure, yeah. It was like, yeah, I'm gonna use it. I must figure out how to Google and to spell for my legs a Sprite. Then you started saying, yo, my name is Questa. And then he was like, accepted. And that's how the name started.
And that's how
he kept it ever since. So every time surely he looks at that Queta, he remembers
what another
yes. So funny motherfucker sometimes.
Yeah.
You know. But yeah, hey.
So put us in the limelight. The mummies, the cars, the flashlights.
Yeah.
Hey, everyone, we see people wanna know what to pull kanjani.
I find out clearly. Yo. But I wanna put it was Danga. Get a vula is studio.
I
started the production with the production and you pitch to hard him out.
Hadimao.
Yeah,
Sorry,
you still
yeah.
look for that nigga Hadimao. I said TK now. The nigga with the yellow hammer. He want how to hammer in your hammer shang. I'm a 22-inch wings at Rasa. Yellow hammer. H.O.T.B. The out in a Barana E production house called Media Shack. SS Media Shack. Single stock Media Shack. So I partnered now Lizana. Fully studio. And opened the music. Maybe it's a jam shack. Kone Randek. H.O.T.B.
Yeah.
Na landing ntwana yami right stuff lamazi right stuff
Yeah.
Right ngubeni.
All right.
right
It's no way like.
don't right yeah no Bruno yazi khuluma Bruno don't right ke saya lapha eRandburg sayo operate right azi lapho sishaya audio and visual yabo. It was a dopest movement ufana self-made cheese SMC we cover SMC self-made cheese hayi bo right stuff no nabo haji basayipusha
Basayiphethe.
asiphethe ngara injaza msadla imali no factor ukuthi mina ngiright la
Election.
from election to a Sentin then right back to election. So when I go back to Sentin now it's on another level. The church is gonna take me there.
Yeah.
Because this time you shy album my solo album sing how many years but 10 pieces so drop people album I'm gonna drop the album. So my album sing a ring now.
Yeah.
Tito Minato numero uno Gambino, Transformation Next Level. This is Tito Vici Luciano, First Black Italian, older and smarter, 2.0. My solo album is now coming next year. And this is the concept. I'm featuring church. It's called Mrepa, Hip Hop Goes to Church. So the concept is I'm going to church. Every church that I go to, they're going to choose their favorite song, the song that they feel it identifies what they stand for. I'm going to feature at churches like we did, the way we did with Ndikokele, that same feel, the way I was writing it, but I'll be doing it this time in feature Amazon for the greater good. So those churches that I'm featuring, they're going to get half the proceedings going to the church and to develop the church. So the money that you're going to make is going to make good use because it's going to be helping communities. And I'm going to go to different churches. So you at your local church right there, church, I'll be coming to your nearest church very soon. So just expect me to come at any day from this broadcast. And when I come, just know that your church is going to get the bigger benefit on a big scale. So Leo album,
Tito.
it's called Mrepa Goes to Church. Hip Hop Goes to Church. Where everybody's going to eat. And it's going to be major, trust me. Because who's ever featured church? I'm featuring abantu la.
Feature Amaso.
Amasonto. I'm featuring the community, and it's gonna be for great proceeding, for the greater cause, and it's a great concept behind it all, about everything structured. I've been working on it for a while,
Oh yeah.
yeah. So that's now what I'm gonna give my all to.
Yeah.
Besides, I'm still in love with Quite the TV show that I need to put out. But that's the thing to look out for.
Yeah. So those I'm still gonna ask you more about things that you're currently doing and things that you wish to do.
Yes,
but we skipped the question. We wanna know the life you were living.
What do you wanna know about it?
Everything.
Fun, I've lived it, dog.
What were you living?
That's life.
Give us the glamour. Stromel.
What's glamorous? Mfana ngokuthomela umuntu ongena into wena unayo.
Yeah, that's what like you just telling us.
Ngakuthomela lezi icommand, kumele kuzicommand la ngizitshela ukuthi wena ungangitshela wena yabo lezi icommand kudala wena mntwana mina. Wenze ini uthini wena uyicommand sani? Uthini ngedizo? Hayi wena sani ngihamba ngebalance yaka. So ngigqoke kahle le igolf, ngihamba ngegolf enyaweni, yabona? That's how ungachoma. Mara ukuthi uchomela umuntu ongena focus, not
Wenza so beniphimpile njani?
the life. I was in the heart of Sentin.
Yes.
I was walking to Sentin Mall near Mandela Square, yabo. Cafe de la Salute was my favorite restaurant. Maybe ngasidana manje manyala hayi ngathola a meal and a drink for free, yabo. Ngayikhona impintsha Michael, yabona Trumps ona la Sentin da. Trumps the restaurant.
Yeah.
The owner le ngamla le.
Yeah.
That's my boy, but you neighbor hlala in the same complex. Morningside Village Estate there. So, let me walk to Trump's nje me. Noma ngaphethanga i-cash. Ngifike maki thole stick on combo stick and ribs rum. On some wine. Ngithola boy. What's the life boy at any given time? 0 to 100 bangifuna ukuye Pretoria ngihamba manje S3 fika no.
Eish.
Yabona? There's not much about the life.
Yeah.
We just did 55 minutes.
Okay.
Hit it.
Yeah.
So it's fun the life, dog. Live the life, dog. Jim's got that Benzo deal. 30 pence drove to Cape Town. And then I went and 30 pence drove to Durban. So just to meet him figure Durban and then drive back. It was like the life, dog. It's a living fun how we live, dog. The life was there. New York was worse. The life, dog.
Kumnandi York ntwana.
Aphiyo about bebecabanga ukuthi ngintwana ka terrorist. So there's this picture leyenzeka nje. At heart. Yeah, mfana. Uyibona lapha Times Square loku iflash la picture yakho. Se New York, New Paris so it's cool.
Yo.
Like experiencing the life. Sepak was getting arrested in Zimbabwe. Ngafashaka eZimbabwe.
Uboshelwana manje.
Oh, mfuna intsango. Ngena intsango. Khoshiye ukuthi phitha intsango nge-airport. You see, hey, it's the life now. So we did the Channel Africa tour. Sihambile Africa almost yonke. Yeah.
Kunjani ukuhamba Africa yonke?
It's nice. Yes. It's like it's not nice.
Why?
Because Africa is beautiful. Africans are dope. But they're not living the way they're supposed to be living there. Basithathela izinto zethu. Labantu abangale badla ngathi mara thina siyasokola la. And akusisa Africa kahle kahle kusalkhabulana.
Akabulana.
Ngoba le outlet Africa mawungacaba September yas Africaners akusumuntu ongamncane agazi lami. That's the nigga nje babazala abazosicolonize. That's Caesar, Julius Caesar. He died in Yake. That was his army general. Or colonized the whole continent and kept it in captive capture. So I'm a simple party.
It's not.
So every time Africa, Baba, you shouting out that motherfucker. Who's fucking depression. Because it's more senja. Like I just lay them line way like Muzul, Matamla, Amazul by a fan. Amazulu man, they all the same. They all Zulu Gunja. Yeah, Zulu in Pelum Zulu according to Zulu is born.
Yeah.
Zulu. It's born Saga Shaga.
Yeah.
Shaga. So every time when clap Zulu Vuselela
Usha.
Spirit Sasha, Inakunzo, no lie, no one.
Hey, that's the this is why Amazulu no lawo longaka babulala bafwaza yo
dog thina ngakwantu ngesintu yabo ngabantu kumele ubize igama it's all everything is in the name. It's only what you call yourself. I'm an African uzonya is more in prison than you're supposed to be influenced and free yabo. But if you say you're an Akabulan, then you'll be kept free of that.
Akabulan.
Yeah, my son, you
get Amazulu bazota Astabulan,
sure. But ungabi on the same ube shifting a bit.
Yo.
That's the depth of knowledge, because that's what knowledge does. But that is why in Kosini Kshalaguna Gunama wizards and stuff. There's knowledge and wisdom that is fed to these people that you will not know, but it's like it's deep, like with the Mason connection to the Queen. How do you think Queen Elizabeth managed to run the world like that? Long live the Queen. Huh? Those sacrifices made King Arthur's blood. And that blood, she senses. That's why Luakoko, who pilled for ages. Baba, World War I. Uhlezi lapha nabo Hitler with a picture. World War II. When Ghana's up border manje, now, and nobody seems to understand how old is this guy?
And
He's been living over for 300 years, looking the same. What are they saying? Long live the Queen. What does long live mean? Fountain of youth. There are things that are made. There's wisdom that the Masons share that if you know that knowledge, then you'll understand what your connection to God is and what your power is and how to actually live forever or live abundantly. All of those secrets. So that is the Loma secrets. It's about one into Mawikava. What you do with it. There's things you should and shouldn't know. Because this isn't his makaluzazi. Hey, so dangerous part. If you're not ready for the mental.
Yeah.
But knowledge is power. Knowledge is key. Knowledge is the only thing that can take us from this depression. The system got us in a way that, the payback is working. And now, power of a black man. Black man is the most powerful man. The word human means black man.
How so?
It's a Greek for hue means black man. So we all originate from black. Originally, all humans are black. Ingamna they are descendants. Bapumagiti like bashota ngemelanin. Yazi sibe kanjani? Albinism, albinism. Sure, alpine come from it. Maybe went to incest and then it's over a lack of melanin. But ingamna zina melanin.
Yeah.
As much as we do. That is why we can live in any environment, everywhere, anywhere, at any time, and we adapt to that. Become brighter. So more figure in the eyes brighter. In the they can't. So it's more like alpine just saying. Then by that Lama alpine Yakub and Ranab was third. Instead of killing them, they took them to the pole. Bandako. So when I'm showing the green. The Greek, find the reflection of the ocean. It's alive. They project. Make you just for someone to feel they feel superior. No, it's a weakness. That is why we are from Rebecca. They came back here. When they got to Africa, it was the first time by land. They were not landing, they were coming back. My descendants, the forefathers, they came ready for the West. But sunscreen and a rifle and a Bible. Little Bible. There's no way it's talking about Britain or England or America. It's talking about here. So Ilama Alpine last our bodies. They come back to take their land. That's what our kids that we sacrificed. Yes, sir. Now they ask Kawat and Jayam.
Okay.
They're destroying the black man. Empowering the woman. How can you fucking kill? Make pause. Engine, what does that mean? Every intern has a matter. That's a role model.
Yeah.
Almost every guy is a junkie.
Yeah.
You think it's by default? There's things that I'll show you, man, nigga, that it was made. The spread, the crystal meth, with how it's gonna be based. Before it even hit the shores as a Cape Town. Up this like it's a sequence in Pinjam, which is planned for medieval takeover. The Somalians coming in to take out the businesses, mediating all within. Like all of that in Pinjam, it's been systematically placed before. And the saddest thing is some of our government officials by government.
Yeah.
So it's all about for self. People are looking out for their own.
So what I wanna ask again is, when was your time when you saw like, now I am falling off? Now you indulging in substance abuse. Like when did it start for you to be in substance abuse?
I was never in substance abuse. I was in the substance within there because yes, Mang's kid. I was a peer counselor, right? So the main thing was, how do you counsel someone about something you don't know and give them help? Drugs. I need to know the drugs. Then I can be able to help someone on drugs. So it's girl, is it District 9 young fucker on that program. You can go and test and then straight. Then man, I went into the traps with the sole intention of, okay, let's go in the dungeons and enlighten niggas to actually get out. So I went there with Baba. Lenti ayeke mara ngeke ngifike ngikutshela ukuthi ya wena udla ama drugs ingawadli nawo. Ngihlala nawe wadle nawo ngiwadla ngithi awadli. Kodwa ngitshela how much of a flop it is. There's niggas out there ezakutshela ukuthi hayi azangisabhemile lapha. Got a couple of niggas. I can take it to some. So that was the intention of the abuse, because I know the substances are a major attack on us. So if you let it go,
and he said to Zion,
yeah, but I'm not defeated.
So when your first pull, like when you first hit it, yeah, like we're going to when you started smoking. Like bekuyilanga lenjani besepatini benibhebele zamajita.
No baba, you go to the dungeons to go drag niggas out. So much time happen. Now put away one source with it. Then you address what you have to address, to who you have to address, and you're out. It's not an experience. It's not like, oh, you're gonna go try things out. There's a problem. Ntanga, itana zamzia kawatega, zila zishawa imeti yapapaizis. This meaning pumeni intana zamemeten how? Okay, what's the matter? So yeah, good. They will listen to a nigga who's gonna be mafia umchela the wrongs of it. Sita say too, so in the sense we were more worried. Maramanga figure no ngutshela ukuthi amana ntana la ngisipazisa kanje. Uzobona ngathi ngiyakujudge.
Oh, uzenza ngcono kunami.
Yeah. So you're there for the purpose of, okay, angithi la, let's shift. And move. Yeah. Lost is a page. I'm lost niggas to drugs. It's a problem. And I wanna this peer counseling shit is a problem. I wanna, yeah. Then you tell me up order and then feel like I could have helped save him if I did something. About if I said something about depression and anxiety in jam.
Yeah.
You call. Whichever. The late WHP, my name.
Yeah.
Whichever mpana. I remember there was some gig at Bloemfontein. Kona ni chirbi spukile da. And that gig yakona lo chirbi was fageli mali ne. Like 10,000 game 10 bubo. Sonke la bantu asibukile. Ngicheke one. Angena mali. Ekaba yenye reflect nyana ba. Sasithola sistakile lapha emahotela eBloemfontein. And mina no Jeba besi iroom yami ngapha and the next one was Jeba. And ujabuliwe nje ntwana. Ujeba addressed certain things to me about depression. I took it serious and I got deep in a conversation. Yo, fun. The nigga broke down. Then he told me like shit about how depressed he was. Then I went up from that moment. I was supposed to help out my nigga.
Like depressed how? Like
yeah, but he was not in a good space. He wasn't happy. But he looked happy
because of the industry or family things.
Family personal. He was in a
or wife thing.
Yeah, he was not in a good space. But I went out there. I could have helped Jeba on that shit, not for him to take his life. No, that.
So he took his life because of a family situation. If I won't pass it,
it should be personal. Me if I won't pass, but like it was. Hey man, Jeba was not in a good space. But Jeba was not in a good.
What was happening to Jeba?
No, from that conversation at Bloemfontein, that's how I knew it. He was not okay. He was not happy.
The conversation was about what? Like if you can enlighten us a little bit. Like maybe there's someone who's suffering right now. The same.
He was depression. It's the voices in Bintan.
He was hearing voices.
There's this thing that keeps telling. There's these voices that keep coming to you, that wants you not to be happy or something. I get able to cover voodoo or king, but it's anxiety and depression, and that's what takes me.
I get you.
And as a peer counselor, that's one of the things we used to go to camps. But we never really looked into it. Took it as into income. Man, this is gonna affect income. But now I see it. My closest cousin, Ukachi, who I grew up with, he took himself because of the same depression. My fucking twin,
Bruno, man.
took his life because of depression.
R.I.P. Bruno time.
Dog, there's a number. It's a big thing. And it's happening around us.
Why is this industry that you wanna be in? And like, let me put it like this: the industry le ofuna kuba kuyo, industry ezokubulala ekugcineni.
Yeah.
You see the hype and the fame and the money that you want.
Slam.
That's your rope
Yeah.
to hang yourself.
Your shoelace was part. Hang on your shoelace.
The more the follower, the more the rope goes up.
It's doing these things for the reason.
Then, so I wanted to wrap up the show, and I would like you to come back on the second show so that we gonna indulge. Like, I'm a celebrity, now. I'm a celebrity. You guys partner AKA.
Keenan, yeah. Don't I am?
You guys partner AKA. And song or.
Yeah, when we have. Oh, it was on the Sprite Hip Hop tour. I'm on Genago Sprite Hip Hop tour. And as in, even this thing, Mangenza, my solo project, there were some beats assisted with Keenan. Even when I was doing Tubes' album, we worked with him. Mangiti, and I know that I didn't know. That Victory Lab. She's going to what is it? The collab where I can knock up. What was it? Ivy League.
Ivy League.
Yeah.
Ivy League,
yeah, production. I'm a producers, yeah.
So for the next.
So I've worked now. Even there's tracks that we did.
Who else did you
but
work
they were
with?
not released.
So I want to next episode buzz, which is a buzz as a pinda. Omunye osenze nabasebenza nobani? It's AKA. You work with Pro.
I've worked with Questa.
You work with Questa.
Worked with
Slick.
Smash.
Amo. Salve.
Hey,
and like the
Briggs. Who have I worked with?
The entire.
I've worked with the industry.
So the last question: what's your take about the industry right now?
It's beautifully where I wanted it, where people now with independence. But I want my intention. But I full Kautama record label. He was trailer plan at the time. Yeah, but it feel like maybe we call it now. Cats are now making shit for themselves.
Yeah.
Nah. I'm happy with where it is.
Nah.
These young boys don't know nothing. They don't know where it comes from, but they are milking it. That's what the purpose was, Gucci. We did it all for y'all.
Yeah.
We did it all for y'all.
Yeah.
We went to New York and told them all, represented Africa, came back and brought it back for y'all.
Yeah.
And y'all are gonna get the benefits, man. It's not about us, it's about y'all.
Yo.
Season just like that. Don't let the young face fool you, son. I'm old enough to be even my boy's stepdad, nigga. 45-year-old nigga. You're looking at a 45, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Hey, no, I cookie it out. What?
Yeah, but on closing, what can you say to the kids who wanna be involved in the music industry? What can you say to the kids who are involved into drugs? What can you say to the youth at large?
To the youth, I want to say, love what you do and do what you love. Don't follow your mom's passion or men's dreams or do things without knowing what you're getting yourself into, if you're famous or what. Love what you do and do what you love. Find your passion. And your passion is going to make sure that you are sorted for life. Tell us something that doesn't feel like a job. Just then you sort it.
Yeah,
you'll be good. Just passion, man. Passion. Love what you do and do what you love. Love what you do and do what you love. Passionate about what you do. Yeah, and it's over the best in everything.
So mina bafethu ngegama uKahle Gontariana Mula.
Ngegama nguThilo Minaro numero 1 Gambino. Actually, next year Shinchi Tito Viti Luciano, the first black Italian. And this young Tariana
It's gonna be under the Don's guard because I'm coming back to the industry much better. This time I'm coming with heavier strength. Yabo?
Ne.
Yeah.
Ne. So
2.0.
2.0 mina ke valeke ba fetse ngegama o katle go ntariana mula aka Mr. Soweto ka fela mo tseba aka Mr. Cool himself intwana sema khonji la kulo matsotsi la kutshiya khona ipoti la sihlanganiswa indlala sihlukaniswa yi-success sithi danko sithi thank you adziya kada nice tiro yo